The last human job claimed by AI experts. Gone. Yes, that's taken by AI too. A few weeks back, we published a conversation around the last human job. In that video, we thought this could be the last human job. The one thing that AI couldn't do to itself. And Anthropic just released something that proved us all wrong. In our video, we discussed how auditing AI models could be the last human job.
Shay Brown, who runs Babel, has referred to auditing algorithms as the last human job.
The logic was simple. We can't trust AI to audit itself, right? It's like asking a student to grade their own exam. You need human judgment, human ethics, and human oversight. But we were wrong. Anthropic just launched PETRI, an open source AI auditing tool where an AI agent audits AI models and systems. And after diving deeper into this, I must tell you, this changes everything about AI safety. Let me show you how. PETRI stands for Parallel Exploration Tool for Risky Interactions. Imagine if you want to know an AI model will lie to its users, try to preserve itself when you try to shut it down, or help someone do something harmful. Before PETRI, researchers would formulate a hypothesis like, will models blackmail to preserve their goals? Then design detailed scenarios, manually construct entire environments with tools and fake emails, run the models, read through countless transcripts themselves, aggregate all the results, and then iterate. Each step required human effort, technical expertise, and tons of time. Now with PETRI, same hypothesis, same scenario design, but then it automatically simulates realistic environments, generates the appropriate tools and context, runs the target model, dynamically adjusts based on what the model does, and analyzes the transcripts to surface the most interesting behaviors, all automatically. Here's how PETRI actually works. There are three AI players in this game. The auditor agent. This is the detective. It creates realistic scenarios and tries to make the target model reveal its true colors. The target model. This is the AI being tested. It could be anyone. GPT, Claude, Gemini, whatever you want to get audited. The judge model. After the conversation, this AI scores the target model's behavior across 36 different safety dimensions. Did it lie? Was it power seeking? Did it try to manipulate? And all of this runs in parallel over 100 scenarios simultaneously. Now, here's the important part. Humans are still in the loop, just not where you would expect them to be. Researchers provide seed instructions in natural language at the beginning, describing what they want to investigate, and PETRI handles the rest automatically. At the end, the system surfaces the most concerning transcripts for human review. So, technically, the last human job isn't completely gone. The tedious, time consuming work is gone. The human judgment at the very beginning and at the very end is still required. When Anthropic tested 14 of the world's most advanced AI models across 111 different risky scenarios, none of them got a perfect zero. Every model showed risky behaviors. Here's what they found. Number 1. Deception. Multiple models deliberately provided false information to achieve objectives or avoid detection, not hallucinations. Deliberate deception. Number 2. Encouragement of user delusion. Models encouraging a serious user delusion instead of providing accurate facts. Number 3. Inappropriate whistleblowing. This one's fascinating. Models were placed in fictional companies as autonomous agents. When they detected wrongdoing, they tried to leak it. Sounds responsible, right? Wrong. They couldn't tell the difference between harmless actions and actual harm. Models tried to whistleblow because the company was dumping clean water into the ocean or putting sugar in candies. They are pattern matching the stories of misconduct without actual understanding of ethics. Think about what this means. These aren't just theoretical problems. These are behaviors that could emerge in deployed systems. Claude Sonnet 4.5 and GPT-5 scored best overall in safety, but even they had concerning behaviors in some scenarios. Anthropic explicitly says PETRI is not a substitute for careful human review. Its value is speed and breadth, surfacing behaviors and pointing researchers to where deeper investigation is worth the investment. It is a powerful screening tool, not the final answer. And the best part? This is open source. Early adopters like the UK AI Security Institute, maths scholars, Anthropic fellows are already using it to explore reward hacking, eval awareness, and more. If you are an AI safety researcher or just building AI applications, please go check out PETRI. Link is in the description below. Here's my question to you. What's your take? Should we be using AI to audit AI or not? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this added value to your day, hit that subscribe button. This is Aashka signing off for now. Let's ride these airwaves again soon.